Well, hello everyone. Today I'm here with my New Holland backhoe and I'm replacing this steering wheel ball. And the reason I'm making this video is I just want to let people know that these, as you can see how easy this thing moves, these steering wheel balls that only have one screw or one bolt in it, they're not very good, especially not on equipment like this. For some reason, this thing just keeps moving around. This ball is junk, so I'm gonna take this off and put on one that I ordered on Amazon that actually has two bolts holding it on, which should be a lot more sturdy and something that would last me a lot longer. All right, and so here's basically what I mean by one screw holding it in. It's got one, Phillips head screw or bolt that is screwed into the main ball system and the spinner on this, and then it's got this little rubber, I don't know, gasket that goes on the inside, and it's supposed to be something that would hold this tight. It's got these little grabbers. Man, these are junk. Don't buy this type of system, because all they end up doing is tearing up your steering wheel like this and then falling off. So that's what it did to my backhoe steering wheel, and that's no good. All right, so this is the one I ended up picking up off Amazon. It's got, when I say it's got two bolts, this has two bolts with Allen key heads on them holding this thing together, so it's going to get a good solid grip from both sides. But it actually is pretty heavy. It's got a nice feel to it. So this is basically what comes in the package. You get the main spinner, the back piece of that, a rubber gasket to hold it on the steering wheel better, an Allen key that fits these bolts to hold it all together, and you get a short set and a long set of Allen key bolts, basically for if your steering wheel is thicker or thinner, so you can adjust it using those. I'm going to put that on now. All right, so there it is. There's the wheel. Spins pretty easy, and I don't have this cranked up, but the little bit of hydraulic slosh in this will let me turn it, and that is going to work just nice. But that's it. I ended up changing the steering wheel position because I actually like the way it sits here, I think, better than having it sitting up here on the steering wheel where this was all at. If you don't have one of these on your tractor, I definitely recommend you get one of these. You will not regret it. We've had these pretty much on all tractors I've had growing up, and I use this more than I do the steering wheel in general, so hope that's helpful. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. It's right below the video. It's a red button that says subscribe. All right, everybody, take care.